Your computer screen is the digital equivalent of your office desk. Most people leave it looking exactly like the factory settings. It is bland and uninspired. You stare at the same taskbar and the same static icons every single day. There is a whole world of customization out there. It goes way beyond just changing a wallpaper. Two major players dominate this space. They operate on completely different logic. Let us start with the old guard. Rainmeter is the name most people know. It has been the king of the mountain for a long time. This tool is basically a massive library of skins. You can put a massive minimalist clock right in the center of your screen. You can add bars that bounce to the beat of your music. You can even have a live readout of your processor temperature. You can track your internet speed at a glance. It is all about information and style. It sits right on top of your background, like a transparent layer of glass. It does not really change how the computer works. It just changes how it looks. However, you need to be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. This tool does not always have a simple menu for changes. You will likely end up opening notepad files to tweak variables. You might spend an hour just trying to get the transparency of a weather widget exactly right. It is a hobbyist playground. If you want a desktop that looks like a futuristic command center, this is your path. Then you have the new challenger. Windhawk takes a much more direct approach to the system itself. While the other tool focuses on what you see, this one focuses on how things work. It uses tiny pieces of code called mods. These mods alter the behavior of the operating system. If you are frustrated with how the taskbar behaves in the newest version of the software, this is your solution. You can change the way icons group together. You can bring back old features that the developers decided to remove. You can even change how the start menu responds to your clicks. The beauty of this tool is the sheer ease of use. You do not have to touch a single line of code yourself. You just browse through a gallery of community creations. You click a single button to install them. It is incredibly accessible for the average person. It works for anyone who just wants their computer to feel more intuitive. One tool provides the beauty. The other provides the brains. You do not actually have to choose between them. They can live together on the same machine without causing any chaos. They are both remarkably light on your system resources. You can have your beautiful floating widgets and your custom system behavior at the same time. Both are completely free to use. They are supported by passionate communities. These people just want a better user experience. You can spend 5 minutes or 5 hours on this process. Either way, you will end up with a machine that feels unique to you. It is about taking back control of your digital environment. You stop working for the software. You start making the software work for you. It is a total game changer for anyone who spends their whole day behind a screen. You transform a generic tool into a personal command center.